Question 1. Compared with peers, what are the biggest advantages of your heat pump OEM business?
I think our biggest advantage are experiences, flexibility, and technical strength. We have been focused on the European heat pump market for nearly 23 years, so we understand regulations, market trends, and customer needs very well. We also have a strong R&D team with around 200 engineers and our own 27 testing rooms, covering performance testing, long-run testing, and noise testing. This helps us ensure product reliability and innovation. On the production side, we have large manufacturing capacity and stable delivery capability. We have 3 factories in Zhongshan, Shunde, and Turkey. Production capacity total can reach 1,000 pieces per day with factory in China, 2,000 pieces per day in target for total 3 pieces, while still keeping enough flexibility for customization. Compared with many big brands, we can respond faster and support customers more closely. Other advantage is that we provide not only products but also technical support. We have a dedicated technical support team to address your questions professionally and promptly, offer suitable solution for you, and also can arrange on-site training.
Question 2. What level of customization can you provide for OEM customers?
These include product appearance, hardware configuration, control system, software function, and so on. For example, we can customize the product appearance, logo, label, packaging, and display user interface. On the hardware side, customer can choose different refrigerant capacities, unit structures like monoblock, split, all-in-one, and components configurations according to their market needs. For the control system, all our units support Modbus communication, so customer can use our standard controller solution or use their own controller. We can also adjust the software function and operation logic for different applications. In summary, we are not only able to provide standard OEM branding, but also support deep-level customization.